and it's also easy to plan ahead for. So we may see the market break down, we may see it break up. In the end, it really doesn't matter because we can make profits either way. So let me go ahead and return back to normal. Okay, that was another breathless example of the 20-minute process for getting to analyzing the market. Now, if that seemed like gibberish to you, and if you're maybe panicking, remember at the very beginning of this, I talked about accelerated learning. Okay, if you're confused by anything that I said, if it seemed like I was going a million miles an hour and I was talking in Greek to you, if none of that made sense, realize this. You can learn this stuff very, very fast. I don't care if you're 6, 16, 60, or 94. I don't care how old you are. In a very short amount of time, literally in 5 days, you can get all of the basics that I just went through into your mind. And then you can log onto the website. It takes literally 32 seconds. You can get on, watch the video, and then see my game plan where I distill all of that analysis down into a very easy to digest 4-minute video and use it for yourself. You don't have to go through 10 or 15 years of trying to learn this stuff. Now, I'm gonna part with this, and I've gone over 5 minutes. I appreciate everybody being patient with me with all the technical glitches. I promise you we'll get this straightened out. The reason why I believe, and listen, this is after coaching traders for 10 years, after talking to traders for 10 years. I have personal trading mentors who've been in the business 40, 25, 30 years. The number one reason why I believe it takes people sometimes years and years and years to learn a skill like trading is because, number one, they don't have a coach or a mentor. That's the reason why I insisted on being able to have one-on-one contact with every one of my members, because you need to have a mentor. You need to have a coach. And it's because in most cases, these guys had a mentor for a very short amount of time, and in virtually all of those cases, their mentor was not trained to be a mentor. I was groomed practically for this by the United States military. We were trained how to train. We were trained how to present information, how to get it across very quickly, and how to make sure that you remember it. So that's a big thing. The other reason why is because the information was not presented in a format that was easy to understand. And that truly is a visual and auditory combination. You've got to see it and you've got to hear it. Most people don't learn exclusively by reading, but that's how most of us are taught. We're taught by reading it or hearing it aloud. Really, you've got to see it done. You need to see the application of it before you can learn it. And then finally, we have, especially in our educational system, an absolute crush to learn things very quickly. I mean, think about it. You're going through school,